Welcome back to another tutorial on how to edit your videos using Wondershare Filmora. Now, in our lesson, we're going to look at some of the basic editing skills that you can use when editing your videos in Filmora. So, what I'll do first is I'm going to delete some clips. So, let's go over how to delete a clip. So, you can just select a clip like this one, right click on it and select delete. Say yes. Or what you can do is you can select multiple videos at the same time, right click again, select delete, and that will delete your clips. Or you can just select a video, select that one or another one, just select whatever clip you want to, then hit the delete key on your keyboard and it will be deleted. Now, if you notice, anytime I want to carry out an action, let's say delete that video, it will bring this question will pop up. If you want it to keep on popping up again, just click do not ask again, then delete, and it won't pop up again. So let's try that again. So select, right click, delete. You can see they didn't ask again, so you can just do that. So I'll just head over here, import media, and then I'll import this clip here. Click open, there it is. Now again, if you want to preview a video, just double click on it and you get a preview. So if you want to add a clip to your timeline, so this is our timeline over here, and this is where we're going to carry out most of our editing. So if you want to add a clip here, you can click on the plus icon. Now, if your resolution of video does not match with the setting of this project, this will match up. Now, you have to be careful before you choose any. So I'm just going to select Keep Project Settings and leave it at that. So here we have our full video. It's 1 minute long. So there we go. Now, another way you can add a clip is you can just click it and drag it onto your timeline and you can place it anywhere you want. So there we go. This is our second clip. I'll just select that and delete it. So let's remain with this one. Now, one of the key editing features you'll find is you'll need to make cuts in your video, especially when you end up with a long clip and you want to merge it with others. You'll find yourself needing to do a lot of cuts. So let's first take a look at this clip. So I want to make a fast cut over here before we start dancing. So I'll just click on this icon and then let's just move it. You can see we end up with two different clips. Let me just move this. You can see we end up with two clips and then you can select that one, click delete, and it will be deleted. So go back to this one. Let's just return it back. Again, you can just go ahead, move this to where you want to make a second cut. So I want the first cut to be short, let's say 10 seconds in. Then I'll make my second cut over here. All you have to do is make sure that your this red line matches up to where you want to make your cut, and then click on the scissor icon and to make a cut video. So there we go. We already have a separate clip over here. Then I want it from here when she's dancing on her own. So let's make a second cut over here. Go ahead to here. So that's our second clip. You can go ahead and just delete this one. So this is an unwanted clip. So just click delete. It will be deleted and then the full video will be moved to the left. So there's no gap left. So you can carry on. I want this transition from here to where she's left dancing on her own. There we go. So this is the unwanted clip. Again, delete it, and as you can see, it will be moved right in, and so on. So let's just delete this last part, and then we're left with this. So let's play this. You can see first the time has changed, so it's going to preview what you have here on our timeline. So that is how you can make a basic, a really simple editing cut on your clip. That is, if you have that long clip and you want to shoot in it, that's how you can just know where you want to make your cut. So let me show you another way you can go around that. So let's just delete that. Go back to original video, so it's not affected. It's still 1 minute, double click. Now from over here, we can make the same edits. So again, you want a clip to begin from where they start dancing. So let's see from that. You can use this mark in command. So you can click that, it will make a mark there. You can click it and drag it over here. So that will be your imprint. And then you can go ahead with the video. You want to this 10-second mark. So you can do that. You can use these arrows over here, or you can just come directly over here and just type in the exact time you want your clip to be at. So mine is at 10 seconds. I'll mark out over here. You can just click and drag this, or you can kind of directly click on this one. And then what you'll do is click on that clip and drag it over here. And now you play it. So that's it. That's the first clip we got. Then we'll go back here again, double click, get the original marking. And then let's just move this somewhere in here. I want this to start from where she's dancing on the road. So let's just play. There we go. So that will be my in. Again, you can just drag this, or you can just come here and click on it and you take it from where you the point you selected. Then play. That, or click on this. Then just take that clip and it's over here. So you see we have our second clip. Go back to original clip, double click. Now we want to add the lady, this lady starts in the row. So we move. Okay, here we go. So from here, that's our endpoint. And we play. So that's your output. Then you just click on the clip and drag it out. So let's just see, just to make sure that we have the right clip. So we play it. That's the exact clip that we wanted. Now you'll notice we have the spaces in between. Now you can just directly click on the X over here to just remove those points, or you can select them, right click on them, and then select delete. Another way you can do that is, so let's Control Z. You can select all the clips, right click, and select close gap. So that will close the gap in between, and then it will give you one continuous clip. So here's a one continuous clip. Now it's 16 seconds long, while the original one over here is 1 minute long. Let's just play that. So that's how you can basically make edits or acts on your videos in Filmora. It's very easy, very simple. Again, you can do that on your timeline or using the player